You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two video editor platforms, which is Descript and Veed. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about Descript is perfect for creators who edit podcast, tutorial, or interview through transcript. It offers unique features like overdub voice cloning, filer words removal, and seamless audio video synchronization, which ideal for storytellers and educators. However, it can feel overkill for quick edit, and some features require higher type plans. Veed, on the other hand, focus mainly on simplicity and speed. Its drag and drop interface, auto caption, and social media template makes short form video creation effortless. While it's like Descript deep audio control, it's much easier for beginner. And that's it. Overall, Descript wins for professional, while Veed shines for fast, social-ready video edit. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.